Welcome to another video from Urban Gardening with Gray. If you are new here, no worries. Just know that we love gardening in all shapes and forms. So if you like plants, you are in the right place. Although, let's get on to our video of the day. How can ChatGPT help with gardening? ChatGPT can help with gardening by providing information and answering questions about various gardening topics such as plant care, soil preparation, and pest control. It can also provide tips and advice for specific types of gardens, such as vegetable gardens or flower gardens. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist with generating ideas for garden design and layout. What are some ideas for vegetables to grow in the spring in Zone 8B? Peas. They can be planted as soon as the soil can be worked in the spring and will be ready to harvest in about 2 months. Radishes. These are a fast-growing crop that can be planted as early as 2 weeks before the last frost. They will be ready to harvest in about 4 weeks. Arugula. This is a cool season crop that can be planted in early spring and will be ready to harvest in about 4 weeks. Lettuce. Lettuce can be planted in the spring as soon as the soil can be worked and will be ready to harvest in about 6 weeks. Spinach. Spinach can be planted in early spring, as soon as the soil can be worked, and will be ready to harvest in about 6 weeks. Beets. Beets can be planted in early spring as soon as the soil can be worked and will be ready to harvest in about 2 months. Carrots. Carrots can be planted in early spring as soon as the soil can be worked and will be ready to harvest in about 2 months. Keep in mind that some of these vegetables can also be planted in late summer for a fall harvest. Also, you should always check the specific planting instructions of the variety you choose, since different varieties can have different requirements. How to start planting in a raised bed. Starting a garden in a raised bed involves several steps, including choosing a location. Pick a spot in your yard that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day and has good drainage. Building the raised bed. There are many ways to build a raised bed, but one common method is to use rot-resistant wood to build a frame and fill it with a mixture of topsoil, compost, and other organic matter. Amending the soil. Once the raised bed is built, you'll need to amend the soil by adding a mixture of topsoil, compost, and other organic matter such as peat moss or well-rotted manure. This will help improve the fertility and drainage of the soil. Planning your garden. Before you start planting, it's important to plan out your garden. Decide what vegetables or flowers you want to grow and make sure you have enough space for them. Take into consideration the mature size of the plants and the spacing requirements. Planting. Once you have your soil prepared, you can start planting your seeds or seedlings. Make sure to plant them at the correct depth and spacing as recommended on the seed packet or plant tag. Watering. Water your plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Most vegetables need about 1 inch of water per week, either from rainfall or irrigation. Maintenance. Keep an eye on your plants and remove any weeds that may appear. Also, check the soil moisture regularly, and add fertilizer or compost as needed to keep your plants healthy. Remember that raised beds are great for gardening because they provide good drainage and warmer soil, which can help your plants grow faster and produce more. But also keep in mind that the soil in raised beds dries out more quickly than in-ground beds, so you may need to water more frequently. What are ways to stop aphids in your garden organically? There are several ways to control aphids in your garden organically, some of which include: introduce beneficial insects. Certain insects, such as ladybugs and lacewings, feed on aphids and can help control their populations. You can purchase these insects from a garden center or online and release them into your garden. Use a strong spray of water. A strong spray of water from a hose can knock aphids off of plants and disrupt their colonies. This method can be effective when the infestation is not very severe. Use insecticidal soap or horticultural oil. These can be effective in controlling aphids but need to be applied directly to the insects. Make sure to follow the instructions on the label and take care not to spray on hot or sunny days. Use neem oil. Neem oil is derived from the neem tree and acts as a natural insecticide. It can be sprayed on plants to control aphids and other insect pests, and it is also a fungicide. Use companion planting. Certain plants, such as garlic, chives, and dill, can be planted near aphid-prone plants to deter aphids. Use garlic or pepper spray. You can also make your own organic insecticide by blending garlic or hot peppers in water, straining the mixture and adding a few drops of dish soap. Spray the mixture directly on the aphids. Use a dry cornmeal. If you have ants in your garden, they may be protecting the aphids from predators in exchange for a sugary excretion the aphid. Are you ready for our number 1 ChatGPT tip? Can you do us a favor, first? If you like this kind of helpful information, can you tap the like and subscribe button? It will help us at Urban Gardening with Gray keep making awesome content like this. Thanks. How can ChatGPT help a gardening YouTube channel? ChatGPT can help a gardening YouTube channel in several ways, such as generating video ideas. ChatGPT can assist with generating ideas for gardening videos, such as how-to guides, plant care tips, and garden design tutorials. Writing scripts. ChatGPT can assist with writing scripts for gardening videos, providing clear and concise information on a variety of gardening topics. Creating video descriptions. ChatGPT can assist with creating engaging video descriptions that will help attract viewers and boost visibility on YouTube. Answering viewer questions. ChatGPT can assist with answering viewer questions that may be posted in the comments section of a gardening video. Providing tips and advice. ChatGPT can provide tips and advice for specific gardening challenges or questions, such as dealing with pests or gardening in small spaces. Research. ChatGPT can assist with researching specific topics to provide accurate and up-to-date information for a video. Creating a blog post or article. ChatGPT can assist with creating a blog post or article that complements the video, providing additional information and resources to the audience. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a language model and the quality and accuracy of the output will depend on the input and the context, so it's always good to double-check and verify any information provided by ChatGPT before publishing it. Did you like our list? Did it give you ideas of what you would like to grow in your garden? Why not let us know in the comments? We hope this helps you in your gardening adventures and endeavors. Thanks for watching. And as we like to say at Urban Gardening with Gray, enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden.